Okay guys, so now we're going to edit the home page. So if we're sitting on the home page here, we want to log in. I've already logged in, okay? So we just have to click over here in this upper area, and that will bring us into the main dashboard. You can go to Pages and drop down to Home. You want to just click this Home page name, and you'll see it brings up this strange boxes. So these are where you find all of your home page stuff. So let's start with the circle icons. So if you look back, let's go to Pages here. So we have both of these open. So if we look at the, we have these 3 buttons here, bullet things. These are these 3 boxes. If you look here, circle icon, circle icon. One says patient resources, schedule a consult, or request a refill. If you want to edit any of these, you just click edit. It brings up a little drop down or a pop-up that talks about, here's your title, patient resources. Text, you could change that text. You could change the icon itself to something else. Any of these, I just basically picked ones I thought might work. You can move some of this stuff. You can add your click more for your button text at the bottom. You could actually even change your link to go to a different page. And then you hit done or save, and then hit update. Make sure to always hit update, and that will save any changes. The next thing would be your Vantage Headline, which is just the middle area that says providing custom pharmaceutical compounding services, plus a sub-headline. And you just click that to change that out. Once you do that, you hit update. And that will change that page out of there. Now the only other thing on the home page is what we have here, and that's the image slider. So that's a little more technical, but you can still do it. It's not ridiculous. You go down here into Meta Slider, click on that, and it brings up these slides. They don't look, they're just squared, but that's okay. They actually are wide, and they're in this format, 1080 pixel by 250. So if you can scale, I usually go to like Photoshop and scale an image to, let's say, 1080. Say you drop it down, 1080 by 250 is like about that. And then I would scale it to that, save it as whatever header, and as long as it's 1080 by 250, it would work for this. So I'm not going to do that with that one, but we go back here, and you have now the text that you have in here. Now this is the only thing that is a little bit strange, is for each of these slides, if you were to add a slide, let's say, you would go to the uploads and upload it from your hard disk, or let's say I already have one in here, I just want to add that in. It'll bring it up. We can add a caption. So let's say we have something we wanted to add in. Now when we hit save on that, it will add this slide into the mix. So if we go back here, hit refresh, you'll see now we have 5 slides, and the last one is going to be our mountain scene. And it says, we love to play outdoors on our days off. Now you probably don't want this one in here. I'm just putting it in for a second, but the problem we have here is if you look at it, it doesn't match the text from these other ones. See how the text is larger and bolder? What you need to do, if you're going to do a new one, is you're going to do a little bit of coding, and you can see it right here. It starts, if you read the one above, starts right there. You can just copy that code out, paste it right in front of the text that you have down below, copy that last bit of code out, hit a period and paste it. Whoops. Paste it down at the bottom there. And then you hit save. And if we hit refresh, you should hopefully see that work. We'll go back to this last one. There you go. I love to play outdoors on our days off. There you go. So anyways, that's how you edit the top part there. And the last little bit is on the home page is that you can edit is these little bottom areas. And they are found. We're going to delete this one real quick here. Delete. Yes. Hit save. And then we'll go to pages on the home page. And if you look at the bottom, you can see post loop and text. So this one we're just going to delete because we don't need anything for it yet. I was going to put your contact info in there, so I need to get that from you. Post loop is just your latest posts right now. It looks like it shows latest posts in a slider formation, which is fine. So we'll be done with that. And we'll hit update and we'll go look at it. You'll see this will disappear here in just a second. So there, you don't have that anymore. You just have your sample latest post. And we're back to our old slider. So anyways, that should help to give you an idea on how to edit your home page.